Hello there, welcome to Live Well. Yeah, I'm just showing you a quick picture of my mustard plants. Quite happy with these, they're kind of bushy. I need to trim them down a little. I've been like knocking back the flowers to keep them kind of short as possible. But yeah, they seem to be doing okay. So yeah, garden gurus, you get me? That I'm not. Like I've been saying, I want to emphasize I'm not a garden guru, but I do know how to garden. I find it difficult sometimes to explain exactly what I'm doing on YouTube, because like everybody have different ways, and so many different ways of doing things. But I personally, I came across this guy called Charles Downing, I believe it is, and he's been talking about no dig and stuff like this. So that's the path I chose. Yeah, and I find it pretty simple. You tend to concentrate more on your planting rather than digging the place up, making this look nice. In that way, there it's just simple. You kind of following nature on that, you know. But yeah, these mustards are looking really well, and I'm happy with how they're growing. And once again, guys, live well. Together we grow.